Hello and welcome to TheGhostOfSabotage here once again. No weird food related video today. Well, any food related video today. I'm most likely for a while, because there's not probably because there's not really that much to do for food. Anyway, that's no here nor there, so yes. And it's been raining on and off the entire day. And very frankly, well, bullshit, maybe. I've been wanting to actually go out, but anyway, that's because I wanted to go outside, but I don't know. Well, trousers are in the wash. I kind of been waiting on that, but that doesn't matter. Been trying to get this NordVPN to work again. Boy, quite some time ago, but it stopped working. Found out that you have to put some kind of number thing in somewhere. And it seems to be working now. But the only reason why I got the VPN thing, only because I want to watch it. Because I want to watch, what's it called? NCIS. For some reason, the UK Netflix doesn't have the show. And by frankly, it's one of the few shows that I actually like. So yeah, quite the Anyway, I'm on season 7, so yeah. Anyway, that's about it really. So yeah, until next time, ladies and gentlemen, tally ho.